Alright guys, I just thought I'd get a quick hour's detecting him before it goes dark. The sun's going down, you can see it over there in the distance. The sun's going down, it's pretty dark. I'm back at the old POW camp, and again, it keeps digging and I keep finding stuff. There's another button, it's got an anchor on it. I don't know if you can make that out, but I'm going to, obviously as usual, clean it up, and hopefully you'll be able to see it better later on when I've cleaned it up. But it's been in the ground for Christ knows how long, so yeah, we'll see, eh? But again, another cool find. Thank you very much. Okay, a full round. I can't work out the date on it, but actually it's been fired at the back. The cushion cap's gone off, so this must have been a dud or a misfire. Yeah, nice round actually, very big, quite heavy. So yeah, there we go. About 6 inches down. It's a decent find actually. Chameau. Well, sort of symbol of where I am, to be honest. Bit of barbed wire. You can imagine the amount of barbed wire of this stuff there was around here. You know what I mean? That's a lot of area to cover. It was about a 2k wide POW camp. So yeah, barbed wire. I reckon that this probably, if there's a clearing there, it goes all the way down there. See, this could have been a perimeter fence, some sort of fence. And there's a dog coming. Dankish. Right, good morning. It's 11:10 on the 28th of April. I'm back at the usual fucking place, and again, it is like the gift that keeps giving. There's a little hole, and there's a wee button. Oh, and another button. A couple of buttons there. The one on the right, I believe, is German, similar to what I seen last night, and the one on the left, we don't actually know what it is.
There's RG and 20.
RG and 20 on the back. But yeah, I mean that one's German, I believe. Yeah, so been going for about
20 minutes?
20 minutes or so. I have a volunteer, Panzer Commander number 2. Hi. So yeah, we've been going for about 20 minutes or so. 2 buttons so far, which is not really, you know, not bad, I suppose.
It'll do.
It'll do. And we carry on. Right, second, third decent find of the day. A really good find of the day actually. A cap, you can't really see it because of the fucking sun.
It's a collar dog, mate.
It's either collar dog,
Yeah,
as such, yeah, of a Grenedier.
No,
Artillery, possibly. Yeah, cool, eh? So we'll have a look at that. We'll clean that up when I get home, and we'll have a look on the internet, see what we can find. But that is a pretty cool find. And it's still got the thing on the back.
Yeah, it's collar dog, mate.
Yeah.
It's 2 pence.
Cool. Decent find. Chameau. Alright, we've moved positions a couple of 30 k's away from where we were, just to an old defensive position by the Germans, the Wehrmacht defensive position. As you can see, we're in a trench, and we've just found this wee bad boy. No idea what it is or what it's for or what it's off, but as you can see, it's pretty is that pretty light?
It's not too bad. It's definitely not sort of modern anyway.
It's got some sort of pattern on as well, hasn't it?
That's yeah.
So yeah, if anyone knows what that is, give us a shout. What we'll do is we'll take that home, clean it up, see what it. See what
Stick it on eBay for
stick
3
it on,
pence.
yeah, exactly. On eBay. So if anyone wants to buy it, then give us a shout. And we move on to the next trench. Right, wicked find. Check this right out. That, ladies and gentlemen, is, oh, hang on. That is a belt buckle from someone, from somewhere. A Prussian, I suspect that's a Prussian eagle of some sort. Oh, what's that say?
I don't know. I don't know.
Panzer Commander Number Zwei is cleaning it up.
The number stamped on the back. Alpha 04.
Brilliant. That is top draw.
Come on.
Jam. Wicked, mate. That is awesome.
That's awesome, man.
Check that right out, guys and girls. That is quality.
Oh, wicked.
Get in, you beauty. You gotta love the old defensive positions, don't you? They give you so much good stuff. Ow! Alright, so just literally right next, this is a good little trench by the looks of things. I mean, as you can see over there, there's four holes. There's 1, 2, 3, and this leading down here into another one. But we've just found this little bad boy. What someone's done here, we think, is made a round into a
weapon cleaning brush.
Yeah, a weapon cleaning brush, or possibly a shaving brush, maybe, or something along those lines of cleaning or shavage.
If you look on the base, you'll see it's just an all round percussion cap's been struck.
Yep.
Obviously a lot of details, but then obviously all the little bristles.
Little bristles.
And it's all been tied around the side here and then poked back in there.
So that's pretty cool, to be honest. Something you don't see every day, that's for sure. And something you know, probably just some soldier just thought, oh, I've lost my weapon cleaning brush.
Mail's not getting through.
I'll make yeah, my mail's not getting through, but I'll make myself a brush.
Mein Gott im Himmel!
Quality. And we move on. Anybody got any ideas what that is? Because I certainly don't. It's got some sort of insignia in the middle.
It's like a window sort of looking thing.
Yeah.
Appears to be 2 hinges.
Yeah. Don't actually know. It's in a bit of a badish way, but you know.
Rusty.
Rusty. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, if anyone knows what that is, then give us a shout. We've cleaned it up as best as we can, to be honest, because it's pretty much destroyed, really. But yeah, it's that in the middle there that gives it away. To if anyone knows what that is, then please let me know. Dankeschön. Okay, we found this. Looks like a demo round of some sort. Yeah, like a demonstration purposes round.
Drill practice.
Yeah, looks like for drill practicing.
One piece.
It's just there's no. It's just yeah, like he says, there's just 2 pieces to it. Oh, sorry, there's 1 piece to it. That sounds interesting. But yeah, little round. Alright, we found something. We don't know what it is, but we found this above it.
It's for a baby horse.
It's for a little baby horse. Possibly a very, very small horseshoe off a donkey, maybe, or something. We found something else down there, so we're just going to excavate it out now and see what it is. Wait out. That's what it was. Christ knows what it is. It's circle. It's got 3 holes in. Whether them holes are supposed to be there or not is the 4. Yeah, 4 holes. Oh, nice. So we've got 4 holes. So I take it that's clearly supposed to be there then. possibly a base plate for something, or a massive button.
We've found ourselves in Lilliput.
Christ knows, yeah. So yeah, there it is. Just hold it up for us, mate. Weird. If anyone knows what it is, then obviously let us know, eh? Back in the ground you go.
Back in the hole.
Alright, so literally we think this could be the admin area for this sort of place, because yonder way over there is a foxhole. You come all the way around there, there's another one right there. So I'm guessing that this area in the middle was probably some sort of admin area, because there's a cup for a brew. Nice. Origin, don't know. Could be German, could be something else. Anyone knows, let me know.